Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete Disney Plus history. To clear your recently watched viewing history on Disney Plus, simply go ahead and first open a web browser and log into your disneyplus.com account. Here I'm already logged into my account, and from the main homepage, scroll down and look for a section where it says Continue Watching. The recently watched shows and movies will appear under the Continue Watching section. In order to delete one of the TV show or movie, go ahead and select any one of them and click on it. Once you click Open a movie and start playing, skip through the end of the video or the show by dragging this little slider at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you drag it all the way to the right corner. And make sure that you head to the last episodes of series, but not just a season if you are watching a series. Doing this will clear out the show from the carousel, and if you plan to watch it later, you can make a mental note for next time. Once you remove the content from your watch list or simply skip the content, you will be able to remove or delete history on Disney Plus. So that is the only way you will be able to delete history on Disney Plus. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.